Hi, I'm Amit Premchandani, Fund Manager, and I'm here to talk about UTI Banking and Financial Services Fund. Banking and financial services has strong linkage to the domestic macroeconomic environment and essentially captures the strong growth in the domestic economy. It is one of the few pure domestic plays. Banking and financial services covers wide range of activities like lending, deposit gathering, asset management, insurance, exchanges, broking, etc. As on January 31st, 2021, our portfolio has an investment across the financial services space with share of banks and non-banks at 75 and 25% respectively. Within banks, private banks share is around 66%, and within non-banks, share of housing finance and NBFCs is around 14%. Share of non-lending institution is around 11%. We have broadly positioned the portfolio along the following themes. Asset quality. After 5 years of corporate credit cycle, we expect that cycle to reverse and corporate credit cost to go down significantly. The pandemic has impacted retail and MSME, but we think the impact could be limited to unsecured retail and smaller MSME. Corporate and retail salaried secured credit is likely to be benign. Market share. Over the last 6 years, we have seen market share moving in favor of private banks and NBFCs from public sector banks. We think this trend will continue, but at a much slower pace, given we expect the corporate credit cycle to turn up and corporate credit to revive. Retail. Over the last few years, the overall credit growth has been muted, but retail credit growth has seen acceleration, with share of retail credit moving to 27% from 19% 6 years back. We think the growth in retail credit will continue. We lay a greater emphasis on retail deposit franchise as we think that the overall underwriting decision on a long-term basis get impacted by the deposit franchise. Another theme where we are positioned is the increase in financialization of savings away from physical savings. Uh, we have invested in mutual funds, insurers, financial intermediaries, which are essentially engaged in intermediation of this saving into financial savings of households. These are essentially high ROE businesses, have long runway for growth, and do not require capital. Regulatory risk is a key impediment. Overall, we think going forward, we expect the asset quality of the corporate sector as well as the retail secured salaried sector to remain benign. We expect margin pressure to be limited given that retail has seen strong discipline on pricing, while on the corporate side, the pricing discipline has been limited. Banks with strong deposit franchise and which are adequately capitalized will continue to gain market share. In summary, banking and financial services have strong runway for growth with very high quality investable liquid names. And we think that investor can allocate a small part of his saving to this theme. Thank you.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme related documents carefully.